So here we've got the membership site. So I just wanted to take you through this so you can understand how we are going to move forward with everybody's programs. So this is Holly. So essentially when you come into this, you've all done the onboarding, and when you've done the onboarding, you add your weight that you're at and your target weights and all the information you kind of need. Now with Holly, we've given her access to 2 programs, but when you start, it'll be the 6-week foundation. So you can either click here and it will bring 6-week transformation, or you go down to the bottom here and it'll have your full program. So Holly's also got the inner circle, which I'll talk about in a minute. But prior to doing any of this, hopefully you'll have gone to your body stats. And once you click this, it also does come up on a phone very well. You put your measurements in, and we can supply a tape measure for that, so you've got all your measurements that you kind of need to put in, and then you track them over time to see where you're going with everything. Right, so let's go back, and that's the same with the weight as well. So on here with your full programs, the 6 weeks transformation is where everybody starts. You click onto that and it'll have your full program here. So when you click this button here, it'll have your full program and everything that you need to do. And every time you go through a module, like it is on this kind of section, you'll view the task. You'll do the task, there'll be videos and everything taking you through everything. Then you can mark the task as complete. Now that's really important, because once you've marked the task as complete, when you go back to here, it'll give you a percentage of how much is complete, and your coach can help you by looking at that and seeing what you haven't done or have done. You can also be able to track them down here. Same as the inner circle. When you're on the inner circle program, which you'll get access to after the 6-week foundation, the same thing happens. Now these modules here, they run in 8-week blocks. So you don't have to do it in 8 weeks. You can do it quicker, or you can take your time. Just as long as you're doing everything and you implement the practices and habits that we say within these modules, you're going to get an amazing result in 2022. So this is the best way to look at it. And then with the cleanse and the reboot, we're also going to add all the information to here for those that opt for these 2 nutrition packages as we go through everything. So as you can see, we've done a lot of work here, and it's just essentially to help you. So the first thing you need to do, make sure you've created a profile on here. If you haven't, let us send you the link. Just let us know on the Facebook group, and then we'll be able to add you in and you'll be able to start there. So I hope that all makes sense.